I just got back from a long day. I just came from Brooklyn Bridge Park. So today, um, the Brooklyn Bridge Park Annual Bus Festival. So today I just wanted to do an unboxing video. And yeah, so obviously I've been promising these for a long time, and I actually finally got them. I want to give a huge thanks to my mom because she said she wasn't gonna buy them because it was like an extra $46, but luckily I kind of convinced her to buy it, which I'm never gonna forget that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have like a huge cut off my allowance, so yeah. Anyway, let's get to opening these. I'm gonna need something to open these. I just cannot open the box by myself. I don't know why. You see how short my fingernails are? Sometimes I'll just like bite at them. Like, oh, I see like a hole right here. It's gonna take a while to open these. Yeah, I'm getting it. Oopsies. Alright, so yeah. I got the box open. Now if you can just like open it again. Oh yeah, just to show what comes in the box. RTS06 Novabus LFS. Sorry, this is the LFS, this is the RTS. And, wait, G. Yeah, I knew I was hallucinating. Sorry. This is the RTS, or I don't know what this is. LFS. G. Oh, they made a mistake. You know, day well, this is not no LFS. You know, day well, this is not an LFS, and this is not no RTS. You know that for sure. I was getting confused. I'm like, wait, isn't that an LFS? I know that's supposed to be an RTS, and that's supposed to be the LFS. Luckily, I have my brother actually brought the same the red birds and the blue birds. This video actually might end early because I was recording for 20 minutes and I didn't delete the upload yet because it's still uploading. Probably by the end of this unboxing video, I'm just gonna freaking upload. I got like part of it open. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that's a box of it. Surprisingly, I think it didn't come with the... Oh, yes it did. It's right here. It's two of them or just one? I think it's two. I might use these in the future. I really don't need them, to be honest. Well, I would like them for sure, but... Thanks for this. We obviously know that this is a bus, so let's open it. Also, I'm not really sure why my brother would buy two of the same trays I have if it kind of makes no sense. This is an Orion 7, right? New York City bus, Orion 7 hybrid. My hand is kind of like white from this box of it. I'm not sure how. So my whole fingerprint on there, everything. Yeah, Orion 7. Next we have the... This is probably the RTS. Oh, what if they made a mistake on the actual bus? That would actually be pretty weird. They made a mistake on the actual bus. They made a mistake on the box, so they better have not made a mistake on this. Yes, they didn't make a mistake on this. RTS06. Which, as you notice, the RTS06 is significantly longer than the Orion 7. And last but not least, the LFS HEV. It's actually pretty cool to hold this LFS. Never had one of these before. It's just new. Autofocus. Focus. Yes, there we go. My camera never likes to focus. When I was at Smith Night Streets just recording the F trains, then it never liked to show the trains in the distance. I always had to like keep on clicking it, and this will happen if I keep on clicking it. See what happened? See that? Yeah. I put the LFS at the top. Yeah, these two are like the same heights, but then they aren't. My Orion 7 right here are like not the same heights. So that obviously comes with paper. Work it. And speaking of work it, it's time for this step right here. So